guys, in this video I'm going to talk about clickbaits, like what is clickbait and should you use clickbaits on your YouTube videos. So guys, if you want to become a foolproof or if you want to become a successful YouTuber, watch this video till the end and I'll explain you about this popular term called clickbait, right? So let's start with the what is clickbait and then I'll explain you should use this on your YouTube videos or not, right? Now, what is this clickbait thing is? So simple, I have written over here that clickbait are text, images or thumbnails designed in such a way that the viewers is forced to open it, right? It can be too much appealing content, it can be too much appealing design, it can be too much appealing image, but the aim of these kind of thumbnails, these kind of designs is to force you to open the video, right? Now the second point is clickbait is generally typical deceptive, sensationalized or misleading. Yes guys, this is a real truth that clickbaits, most of the time clickbaits are misleading and they just have only one aim, one target, to force you to open the video, right? Now the third point mentioned over here is the main purpose of clickbait is to increase the curiosity of the audience so that they open the content. It has nothing to do with the content. Yes guys, as I told you that the main purpose of these clickbaity thumbnails is to just make you more curious about that what is inside the video, but in reality there is nothing to do with the content. The content is totally different and the thumbnail is totally different, right? Now here I have mentioned some of the clickbaity thumbnails over here. As you can see, top 10 catches, and the video creator has created this type of thumbnail. People already know that no one can jump like this and catch the cricket ball, right? But still, the respective content creator, the respective YouTuber has created a thumbnail like this so that it can generate some curiosity, like really people do catch balls like this, and in curiosity the user or the audience will click on this video. Same like this, OMG what a ball, then this, just a person diving into the money, right? So this is how some good examples of this is what the some good examples of clickbaity thumbnails. Now I hope you understood what is clickbait. Now there's one another question, like should you use clickbait on YouTube? Here there's some mistake, not cricket, here should be clickbait. So should you use clickbaity thumbnail on YouTube, on your channel, on your YouTube videos? Well, there is no simple answer. Here I have mentioned that the simple answer is it depends on your content. Yes, definitely it depends on your content. If you are providing real value, real content, then there's no point of using clickbaity thumbnails. Here I have mentioned that after spending a long time on YouTube, we have divided clickbaity thumbnails into two types. Yes guys, according to us, according to our analysis and according to our experience, there are two types of clickbaity thumbnails. The first one is negative or misleading clickbait thumbnails, and the second one is positive and constructive clickbaity thumbnails. Yes guys, thumbnails, I mean clickbait is sometimes positive and constructive as well. Yes. Now I'll show you how. Here I have mentioned about the negative or misleading thumbnails or clickbaity thumbnails. Like, and this is not only this is not only about the thumbnails only, right? Clickbait can be done in the title, video title as well. So I'm mentioning every time thumbnail, so it is not only thumbnail. It can be the title of the video, it can be the thumbnail of the video, right? Now here I have mentioned 2 points. The first one is negative and misleading clickbait are those which have nothing to do with the content. They are made only to entice the audience. And the second point is their sole purpose is to force the people to open the videos. They even show unrealistic things, make it happen, right? Like in this particular video, unrealistic thing make it happen, but the purpose is getting fulfilled, that if the user sees that kind of video, then they will definitely click on it out of your curiosity, right? So this is what the negative or misleading clickbait is. Now, what is this positive and constructive clickbaits? So positive and constructive clickbaits basically are those that are relevant to the content and it does not mislead the viewers. Yes, you can do some clickbait, but the clickbaity content which you are adding into the thumbnail or the title should be relevant to your content and does not mislead the viewers, right? It only grabs the attention of the audience but doesn't involve imaginary things. There are many thumbnails in which a very small part of the video has highlighted and shown so that more viewers can come to watch the video. So this is how the positive and constructive clickbait is. Now here I have mentioned some positive and constructive clickbaits like this one. Here, as you can see, this is the thumbnail of Mr. Beast, one of the most popular YouTuber, right? And here the person, basically the Mr. Beast, is into the pool of money, right? But here you can see if you can carry $1 million, you keep it. So basically, Mr. Beast is claiming that if you can carry $1 million, you can keep it. And people do know that if Mr. Beast is claiming this, he actually does this. He really completes his promises that if you are able to carry that $1 million, it can be $1 bill, but the claim is that if you can carry it, you can keep the whole amount. And that is why this thumbnail is pretty constructive and pretty positive. The second one is this HRF's thumbnail here, that they have mentioned rank #1 on YouTube. So as you know that it is not very easy to rank on the top or in the first number on YouTube search, but still they have mentioned. But we know that HRF is a reputed organization and they might be sharing some of the valuable information that can help us to rank on top of our YouTube search. So again, this is also a relevant thumbnail and a positive clickbait, right? Now here I have mentioned some extra informations like disadvantage of negative clickbaits. So the main disadvantages of doing negative clickbait is more views but no watch time. Yes guys, obviously you are doing clickbait, then definitely people will click on your video, but you will not get watch time because people eventually they will find that there's nothing in the video which they saw in the thumbnail, right? So they will left the video without watching it till the end. Then the second point is people don't open your video next time when you use a false misleading thumbnail. Definitely, if you are using false and misleading thumbnails, then definitely they will not open your videos next time or second time, right? YouTube AI also observe your video and it doesn't recommend your videos to others because by using misleading thumbnails you can attract people but don't retain them. So on the other hand, YouTube system also observes all the things and their bots can find out that you are using some clickbaity content or clickbaity thumbnails, and if they find on your channel multiple times, then definitely they will stop recommending your channel, recommending your videos. And definitely if they stop recommending your videos, you will see a drastic decrease in the views and drastic decrease in the overall analytics of your YouTube channel, right? Also people stop trusting you, and then lack of subscribers because people are not trusting you, they will either unsubscribe or don't even subscribe you, right? Now, advantages of positive clickbaits. The first one is more views, great watch time, then increase in video retention rate. Definitely if you are using a positive clickbait content in your thumbnail and the title and it is relevant to the video, then definitely people will watch the video till the end. So definitely it will increase the video retention rate. Then increase in subscribers, reopening rate is high and it helps to make a brand. So definitely you can go with the positive clickbaity content, right? Now, is clickbait is allowed on YouTube? there's one more big question. So here I have mentioned the answer that, by the way, the use of clickbait doesn't come under fair practice in YouTube policy. YouTube has clearly mentioned that doing clickbait or practicing clickbait is out of our fair policy, but YouTube hasn't created any strict rules regarding that. Still, if you are using absolutely wrong text and thumbnails that have nothing to do with the content, then you should be careful, because YouTube's bot is checking all the things, observing all the things, and today or tomorrow you have to pay for it. Now, as long as you don't promote hate or violence, you seem to be allowed to post everything, right? I've mentioned this one as well. Now, this was all about the clickbait thumbnail or doing clickbait on YouTube. I hope you understood that what is this clickbait thing is, clickbait term is, and you should use clickbait on YouTube or not. I have already given the answer. Now, still, if you have any question, query, or any kind of confusion regarding this topic, you can comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. Now, I'll take your leave. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.